For manufacturers using Dynamics 365 Business Central and looking to optimize your production process, you'll want to look at the Routing Analysis app to help improve costing, sales margins, and scheduling. Stick around and I'll explain. If you have ever wondered how accurate your scheduled production run time is on your routings, then you will appreciate the Routing Analysis app from InsightWorks. With the app, users will easily compare average actual runtime with scheduled runtime to help optimize the manufacturing process. The Routing Analysis app generates reports based on routing number, date, minimum average variance, and other variables to compare your average actual runtime to your scheduled runtime. The Routing Analysis app will measure the standard deviation to help identify inconsistencies within the manufacturing process. For example, a lower standard deviation will indicate that a process is repeated consistently, taking the same amount of time. Conversely, a high standard deviation denotes that the production on a specific routing is inconsistent and may present an opportunity to streamline operations. Users will quickly identify where bottlenecks occur and areas to increase the equipment utilization rate. With the Routing Analysis app, you get an easy-to-use app that packs a big punch. If you're looking to optimize your routings, look no further than the Routing Analysis app from InsightWorks. The Routing Analysis app is part of the Enhanced Planning Pack, an app packed with a suite of fantastic tools. To learn more, check out the website or reach out to your Microsoft partner. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content.